Welcome back to DIY Willy, and today, well, we're going to install new SeaLight LED bulbs in the cargo lights up on the third brake light. The lights that are in there now are flashing a lot, and I think they're on their way out. They're about to fail. So we picked these up. I'll put a link in the description where we got them, how much they were, all that kind of stuff. And let's go through what it takes to install them. All right. So looking at the inside, you've got these two plugs right here, and you just got to take these plugs out just like that, and up inside is the 8mm bolt or nut that you need to take those off. There, I just pulled them both off. If it's tight, you can always use a trim removal tool. You know, if it was tight, you could use a trim removal tool and yank them off if you needed to. Otherwise, they just pull out with your fingers. And yeah, it's 8mm up inside there. Now I'm using a long socket, a little bit of an extension on my 1/4-inch drive, and it goes up in there, and you gotta have it going the right way. And just loosen it up. Careful not to drop that nut down inside it. You might have a rattly mess. Now slow down because I don't want to drop it. Let's see where we're at. Oh, we're almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. I'm gonna shut the camera off and finish this up right here. Now our truck has a folding bed cover, so I fold it up out of the way so I can get up there to the light. Okay, so now that I've got it unbolted on the inside, I should just be able to lift it out just like that, and that'll expose the lights that we're going to change, and they just twist out just like that, just like that. All right, now let me get the new bulbs and we'll get them installed. Taking a look at the old light right there. The new one has quite a bit more LEDs in it than the old one. See that? So yeah, let's get it installed. You just take them, plug them back in like that, install them, and twist lock. Do the same for the other side. And just pull out. This is the one that's bad. I can see the rust and corrosion on the terminals. Get the new one out, put it inside like so. There we go. Now, looking at the light, there's a big tong and two smaller tongs, and there's a big tong and two smaller tongs. Just line those up and go right in. Just like that. And we'll seat them back in position, and we'll go put the nuts on the inside. So we were changing that third brake light bulb. It would have been the same process and the same bulb. Like I said, I'll put the part number in the description and a link to where I got them. And they're installed right now. We're just gonna go inside and put those nuts back on the inside and close it up. Just getting the last nut. We'll get it installed right like so. And give it a few twists. They're long-winded screws, I'll tell you that. There we go. That doesn't take much. I'm just gonna put the ratchet on it. Just put the ratchet on it and give it just one little turn to make sure the gasket's good and tight. Oh. There we go. More than one turn. It's a little bit tight. There we go. We'll just make sure the gasket gets good and tight on them. There we go. Now we can take our little clip, or our little plugs, put them back in like so. So there you go. That was the install of the new LED cargo lights in the 2008 Nissan Frontier. Much the same for many other models. and years. And well, we consider that another DIY Willy project successfully completed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up, and share this video, share this content. Let's get it out there. The shares and the likes and the subscriptions all help me out to grow my channel. And we do a lot of fun things, like with these trucks, changing the LED light bulbs, and you know, the Yaris and the Samurai and the mini bikes, of course the mini bikes, and the Volkswagen that we'll get to eventually. So yeah, I'll catch you next time. Bye.